This is the longest hallway ever. Here she comes. Good morning from our last day in Bangkok.
We just woke up.
We're about to go get the free breakfast from the hostel and then take the plane to Phuket.
Woo! It's just an hour flight, so super easy. We should be there by noon. Our flight's not until close to 11.
I got my same rice bowl as last time. It's too hot to pick up, but it's just broth with rice and I think this is spinach. I don't know, but it's very yummy.
So this morning I took a shower and it was freezing cold and I would not warm up. And yesterday Megan took a shower at the other hostel and had the same experience. So I think there's no warm water or hot water in Bangkok. And another thing we noticed was on the sinks, the handles only turn one way for cold water, and so you can't even get hot water on them. And the same thing pretty much happened on the shower. It just turned kind of 90 degrees. It didn't go very far. So it's kind of just on or off, and it was just really cold. And I think a cold shower would be really nice after walking around the whole day and sweating in the heat and then just jumping in the shower, but waking up this morning and taking a cold shower is not fun. We just got to the airport in Thailand, trying to fly to Phuket. And we realized that we fly out of Don Mueang Airport, and this is something with an S. And so we're hoping it's the same thing and just a different word in Thai, and that's why it's the translation. So we're gonna find out if we're at the right airport or not.
We arrived at the wrong airport.
So just as I expected, we are at the wrong airport. We are at something with an S airport really near our hostel where we flew into, but we're flying out of Don Mueang Airport, which is an hour away. We just asked the person and they said that that flight is actually at the Don Mueang Airport. It's gonna take us an hour to get there, but there's a shuttle leaving from floor 2, exit 3. So we're running down to floor 2 right now to try to get there and catch our flight in time. But we're really stupid for not checking this before we got to the actual airport itself.
We're on the shuttle. We made it just in time with like minutes to spare.
Like seconds to spare. It started moving once we got on the bus, pretty much. But we're headed to the right airport now. It should be like an hour.
Fingers crossed we make our flight.
We just got to the Don Mueang Airport. Our flight leaves in about 50 minutes and we still have to check in, go through security, and then find our gate. And so I'm not sure if we're gonna make it. We're about to check in now. Just checked in, now we're running through security. We got through security really fast and now we have about 10 minutes before boarding closes. And so we're racing to our gate now. We ended up having to check both of our backpacks because they were too big, and so we have to get on this flight because our bags are both on it. This is the longest hallway ever. Here she comes. There she goes.
I'm so out of breath. We were literally the farthest gate from security.
But we made it with a lot of time to spare. And Meg ran the whole way. Good for you.
The whole way.
That was the quickest flight ever. We're waiting for our bags now. Success. We just got our stuff at the Phuket International Airport, and we just bought minibus tickets to our hostel, which is in Patong. They're about 180 baht each, which is a lot cheaper than Grab, the car sharing app. And so now we're just waiting to get put onto the bus, and then we're gonna go to Phuket. Currently in the shuttle getting dropped off at each person's hostel. I think we're about 4 minutes away from ours. From what we can see, Patong looks very touristy. We passed Starbucks and a Boots. And what was it? An Oakley?
Yeah, we're right outside of Big Mall right now.
Yeah, it's like a big shop. And I think we're up next because he just said the name of our hostel. All right, we just got dropped off, so here's our neighborhood. We're walking to the Seahorse right now, which is like 50 feet away from us. We just got to our room and it is so nice.
It's on the 4th floor though, and the woman literally ran up the stairs.
Yeah, we're both out of breath because we're out of shape, and it's also really hot. But this is basically a hotel. It's just so beautiful. Not what we were expecting. And the nice thing about Asia that we didn't get to have in Europe is that we get to have private rooms for pretty much the same cost because we get to split the cost, and in Europe it would be really expensive to try to get a private room. And so we've been trying to get the private rooms whenever we can here in Asia. So we have a nice enormous window to look out and a really nice bed with these little swan creatures on them. Lots of space in this room actually, it's really big and it's nice and cool because we have the air conditioner. Our own bathroom inside the room, which is really nice. A shower with a shower curtain. That's an interesting shower. It's nice that we have our own bathroom because we didn't in the last one with the private room. We are off to explore our neighborhood for a little bit and hopefully get food because we're both starving.
And the beach.
And the beach.